Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well. Okay, in this video I will continue my trade in this day. I am doing 3 trades with the fixed amount of $1, and the result was 60% winning ratio. So I done 2 position in profit and 1 position in loss. Okay, now I will discuss about my trade in this day. Okay, first of position. So this is the screenshot of my trade, continuing the yesterday trade. Okay, I was doing a call option here in this kind of situation, this, because I saw was a loss momentum in this kind of ranging market. Okay, and I also show that this is some kind of bigger bullish. So before, my expectation was the bearish will hit this level, but at the end he crossed this, the 23.6 and hit and closed at 38.2. so I just hoping for retracement or some reversal if it was going to reverse. But at this candle in the inverted bullish hammer, I just not clearly see that if this was a reversal, so I don't enter in the next candle. So let's see in the video. There is also video, I think this one, so you can see the better perception, because the chart, if the chart is already done, it's a little bit different from the actual live chart. Okay, so this is what happening, and I record this after I entry. I'm sorry because I a little bit forget, because I focus on the moment. So this is what happening, and this is was end with the inverted bullish hammer. And now I will share with you guys what I'm expecting here before what I enter in my trade. Okay, before I enter, I was counting about 5 candlestick from here, like this one. This is the bearish candle, okay, in 5, and the previous 5 candle was like this. Okay, so for me, this was kind of also lower high lower low in the 5 minutes, but I only trade in 1 minute, so I can get advantage of this 5 minutes candle. And what I saw after this lower high lower low was fail. Why? Because this is very big candle with the big pressure. So let's see the next 5 candlestick is, it was this. So opening price here and then closing price here. You see, it's making inverted bullish hammer. Okay, so because of this candle and this some kind of lower lower high that is failed, so I'm expecting the fake breakout will happen here in another 5. So the next 5 would be going up. Okay, like it make a bullish candle, I don't know until where. So that is my expectation. So in the first candle I saw this candlestick. This candlestick is too big, and I believe that because this is some kind of ranging now, if the price want to get reversed, then they have to ranging first or doing some consolidation. So this is basically ranging, guys. And after this candle, I believe that will happen some retracement here or some reversal, because this is too big for crossing inverted bullish hammer like this. Okay, so this is need some retracement. So that is why I enter buy in there, and the candle end with the inverted bullish hammer. You see, this was the end of the candlestick. You see, it was inverted bullish hammer, and this is my account before. Oh sorry, I don't record it. Okay, now it's getting into 37, so that is number 1. And we go to the number 2. Number 2 was like this. Okay, so this was the first one. The technique was like retracement technique or some kind of hoping of reversal, but mostly is the retracement technique. Okay, so because the situation was in the ranging market, so we can do that. Okay, this is the OP number 2, so position number 2, and I just entry buy in here, but with the lack of IQ option, my entry going worse in the upper of a closing price of previous candle. So well, the entry was done and I cannot do anything, so I just wait and risking the trade. Okay, what I'm expecting before I was entry buy in here. Okay, I was reading this candlestick. Always I reading the bigger candles to gain more to get more perspective. So I'm not only read the 1 minute candle, I also read the 3 minutes and 5 minutes and some kind of seeing the probability in that candlestick also. So I was seeing this candlestick, so I just count with if I'm not wrong, this is also 5, so I just count from this bullish until this one, so this is 5 candlestick. See, this is the bullish breakout of the round number. This is the round number that I'm already signed. So this is bullish hammer. You see the bullish hammer like this, okay, with the lower wick here. If they have the upper wick, and this is honestly this is the it's some kind of the end of a trend. Okay, this is some kind of lost momentum. Be careful with the candlestick like this, because on the next 5 it could be a retracement. So this is some kind of level here. You see, in the 1 minute this is some kind of like here consolidation, something like that, or reverse here, some strong level in there. And because of that, I hoping this is some kind of retracement after this big 5 candle. So the next 5 I'm waiting with the result of this candle. So this is the candlestick. Sorry, this one. So starting from here, okay, and then ending like this. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, was my expectation of retracement, guys, because this is big, okay, and this is bearish, okay, and I'm expecting the big candle here, at least closing in here, but it's actually not like that. And I'm waiting this candlestick, I'm waiting this candlestick. Okay, this is some kind of fake breakout, but it's not sure, because this is the level of 38.2, okay, 61.8 from this base 0. Okay, this is the 61.8, and that is why, because the candle is not so nice in there, so the candle was bearish here and doing some consolidation between the 38.2 and the 61.8. 8 Fibonacci level. And after I see this candlestick, because before my expectation was bullish, so 1 2 3 4, this is already like a bearish loss momentum, okay, in the level, okay. So I just entry buy in here, and honestly the entry was not so good because it's going there, but at the end it going profit. So this is also kind of good trade because we analyze the potential and using the support as our backup. Okay, so that is my entry. Let's see in the video what I'm doing. Okay, this is also I'm uh, recording. Okay, you see I'm waiting for very small here, and then I enter the call. Okay, you see it's going, it's some kind of lag, and my entry was shoot up. Okay, and for some reason this area is good, but in this kind of situation, this was consolidation, this area was not so nice to trade, honestly. Okay, that is I thought was a loss because of the entry point. I think this is what will be a small bullish, so I can get lost. Okay, that is was the candle, and suddenly, okay, I think it was lost, but I will prepare for the next if this was the inverted bullish hammer, but it going profit. Okay, so the next I not entry because this is not like in doji bullish, it's like a normal candle bullish, so this is not to be going up because this is level of 50. Okay, that is the number 2, and number 3 was lost in after that candle. Okay, I get lost here. This is the option number 3, so I just going buy in here in this bearish candle. Okay, now I will tell you why my brain is make a buyer or make a buy option, because of the previous analysis. Okay, so the previous analysis was like this. Okay, so this is the next was some kind of retracement. Oh sorry, this is not like this, this is like that. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and the next 5 was like this. Oh, before I was wrong in sorry, where is this candlestick? Okay, this one, number 2, I was wrong counting the candle. This was like this. Okay, and sorry, it's again I'm wrong here. This was like that. So closing price, opening price, wick. Okay, this is the resistance, and this is the next 5. Okay, this is like retracement, guys. So that is why I'm hoping here a bullish, and I entering this one, but it's not working. Okay, so that is the number 2. The number 3 was like also like that. I'm using previous analysis. I'm writing like that, and then here some kind of wick. Okay, this is bearish wick, so my expectation was in this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in this kind of 5 candle I still hoping, okay, based on this, but honestly in this doji bullish I'm not see very clear. Okay, so it's like the past of my analysis is still in my brain, and I'm just sure this is will be bullish, because I thought was the strong bearish retracement. Strong bullish retracement. So because of my expectation was like this, okay, it was bullish, okay, or something like this, I don't know, but my expectation was in the next 5 was bullish. But what I don't see here, why I'm lost, is because of this candlestick. Okay, this candlestick is a confirmation of there is no buying pressure in there. This is not breaking the 50% Fibonacci level and the wick of previous candlestick, but this is going bullish, guys. That is my brain read, that the bullish small or the bullish strong, but it has to be like gravestone doji in here to go up. But this is what I'm not see was it's some kind of same upper and lower shadow. Okay, same upper and lower shadow, and this is not clearly crossing the level. So what I'm doing here is basically it's a little bit gambling. Okay, and now I in here buy at resistance. Actually I'm buy at resistance because the area is still in the consolidation here. Okay, but after this candle it's going like expected. Okay, so this is very dangerous, very dangerous, especially when the candlestick has upper and lower shadow that is not the strong retracement. Even it was bearish or bullish, it ranging or it's a consolidation in there and in this kind of consolidation area. So that is why it's failed. But after that it's going bullish because this is not crossing the 61.8 Fibonacci level and the major trend was up. Was the end of the minor trend. Okay, so that is the lesson for today, that this area is not good for trade. Okay, but in the live trade it was, let's see the video, it was we not seeing like that. Okay, so you see this one, was the hammer like that. So I just convincing myself that it will going up, but at the end it shoot down. I doing buy at resistance of this consolidation area. So even if I doing in the 61.8, it will be also a loss because the price is closing there. So that is not good. The situation was, I have to realize from this candlestick. Okay, from this candlestick it should be that this is could be a retracement, and after 1, after 2, 3, okay, 4, this 3 has a sign that the next candle not will be bullish. The next 5 candle is not gonna be bullish because it has to break this level. Okay, and this is the confirmation. The doji with the same upper and lower shadow is a confirmation that what I'm expecting like this is will not happening. Okay, so that is my mistake in there, and finally it's going loss. Okay, you have to see my entry. So let's see. Now I just entry buy in there. See, okay, the entry was good, the entry was nice, because if that was a strong trend it will be profit, but the context is not like that. Context is the price need the 5 more small bearish. So this is like 2 candle retracement in the 5 minutes candlestick, and after that they going up in the 5 candlestick. Okay, this is what's going lost, guys. Let's see at the end. 9 1 and getting lost. Okay, so that is the lesson for today. We only get this is the data. I doing trade in not so aggressive, so this is 1426, 1526 and 1528. This is more aggressive, but one loss. Okay, in the loss option I hoping the continuation with the strong bullish doji retracement, but I'm not seeing the upper and lower shadow, and the 50 level is not broken. You see, it's going to be bad area to trade, so don't trade buy in the possible resistance on consolidation context. Okay, so 60% winning ratio. Let's see tomorrow, guys. I will update again and see you in the next video. Bye bye.